Adding two-digit numbers. Easy carry method for visual learners. Today we are going to add two-digit numbers. What are we learning? First we add the ones. If the number is 10 or more, we carry 1 to the tens place. Ria has 16 lollies. Layla has 17 lollies. How many lollies altogether? Let's start with the ones. 6 plus 7 equals 13. We write 3 down. Move the 1 up to tens. One plus 1 carried equals 3. So 16 plus 17 equals 33. Let us practice addition. (21 plus 19 equals) 1 plus 9 equals 10. We write 0 down. 1 plus 2 plus 1, carried, equals 4. So 21 plus 19 equals 40. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.